All right, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Fashion Palada watch from Amazon. I just got this delivered today. It cost me less than $20. This is the box that it comes in. Let's dig right in. This is what the watch looks like. It's got a basic set of instruction manual with a few, I'll say, crudely written instructions. Just pretty basic, very basic functions on there. Here's the watch. Pull it right out. So this watch is similar to maybe a much higher end tactical watch in terms of aesthetics. I think it's a pretty good looking watch overall, especially from this front view. It looks like something that maybe you'd get from Suunto, minus the functionality. It comes with a little plastic screen protector, which I'll remove later, just to protect it from scratches during shipment. Let's go ahead and explore the different functions of it. There's not a lot of them on here. You've got your basic time function, and I noticed that these little this little square is made up of I don't know, 25 other squares or so that kind of change with every second. Then it's got a basic stopwatch, an alarm, then you could adjust the time. And that is really it. It has one light button here, and it has another light button on the other side. Why it has two light buttons, I have no idea. Best I can tell, they do the exact same thing. The other thing I wanted to comment about is the split function on this timer. So on the stopwatch, you hit a button to make it go, as would be expected, and hit the same button again to stop, hit the bottom button to clear. I did find there is a split feature, and I'm going to use air quotes saying split. If I hit the bottom button, it says SP, and SPL starts flashing, so it seems to say split, but I can't really find much functionality beyond that. If I hit it again, then it goes back to the main time. I could split it again. I noticed this little 0 down here, and I was hoping that would start to count laps. I cannot figure out any functionality there beyond just kind of stopping the time for a quick check, and then you could go back to the time. Beyond that, top button stops again, and then you could reset it. So that's about it from the stopwatch functionality. The alarm, also very basic functionality. You could use a top button for what I believe would be chime versus alarm versus off, and then you could go through some basic adjustments of it. But let me go back to that actually, see if I can figure this out. There we go. Bottom button makes it adjust, top button allows you to implement the adjustments, and then let's see, I'll hit the bottom button again, and then I could hit the minutes to adjust. I'll hit the bottom button again, and then it apparently is set, and again I could change which mode it is on. That's about it for this watch. I personally like very technical things. I like the aesthetic that this has, which is of a tactical watch. It looks very technical. I'll be honest, I'm thinking about returning it though, because there's such limited functionality. As I think about the watch that I was just previously wearing, a Timex Ironman, this has far fewer features. It's much harder to use, hard to figure out for the limited functionality. So if you're looking for a watch that is highly technical and has features that you might expect of a low-end Timex watch, like an Ironman or something like that, you're not going to get those with this watch. If you want to just save some money and spend less than $20 on a watch, and are willing to give up a lot of functionality, then this might be the watch for you. All right, that's it for me. I think if I were to give this some rating, I'd give it 2 stars. I think a decent value, less than $20. Hard for me to find a Timex for that price. But then again, I think I would personally spend more money and get more functionality. That's it from me. I hope you found this review helpful.